have you ever wondered what happens when light, stars, or even entire galaxies vanish into complete darkness? Yes, I'm talking about black holes, those mind-bending mysteries of the universe that even science struggles to fully explain. In today's video on Ayat and Atoms, we'll uncover what modern science has discovered about black holes, what the Qur'an revealed more than 1,400 years ago, and how these two perspectives connect in ways that will truly amaze you. Stay tuned, because the journey ahead will change the way you see the universe. So what exactly is a black hole? A black hole is created when a massive star, much larger than our sun, burns out its fuel and collapses under its own gravity. This collapse squeezes matter into a point of infinite density, known as a singularity. Here, gravity becomes so intense that not even light can escape. Around it lies the event horizon, a boundary that marks the point of no return. Anything crossing it is lost forever. Back in 1915, Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity predicted their existence. For years, they were just theory. But in 1971, the first evidence of a black hole was discovered. And in 2019, humanity captured the very first image of one, proving Einstein right. Scientists say black holes come in several types. Stellar black holes born from collapsing stars. Supermassive black holes, millions of times heavier than the sun, sitting at the centers of galaxies. Primordial black holes, still theoretical, thought to have formed shortly after the Big Bang. Even today, black holes remain among the greatest mysteries of the cosmos. Now let's turn to the Qur'an. Over 1,400 years ago, without telescopes or space missions, the Qur'an described something strikingly similar to black holes. In Surah At-Takwir, 81:15-16, Allah says, "So I swear by the retreating stars, those that move swiftly and vanish." Notice the details here. Al-Kunas, stars that withdraw or disappear, just like black holes are invisible. Al-Jawar, objects that move, just as black holes drift through space. Al-Kunas, those that sweep or pull, like black holes swallowing everything with gravity. Isn't it amazing how perfectly this description matches what scientists only uncovered recently? Let's compare side by side. Science, black holes are invisible. Qur'an describes stars that retreat and hide. Science, black holes move through space and collide with stars. Qur'an says they travel swiftly. Science, black holes consume light and matter with immense pull. Qur'an calls them objects that sweep away. This connection between the Qur'an and science is not only fascinating, it's a reminder of timeless knowledge revealed long before human discovery. So what have we learned today? Black holes aren't just terrifying cosmic giants. They are signs of Allah's power and creation, mentioned in the Qur'an centuries before science even imagined them. Do you believe science will continue to uncover more hidden truths already written in the Qur'an? Share your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. Backhand index pointing right if this video inspired you. Please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Ayat and Atoms for more journeys into the mysteries of science and faith.